You've probably seen Ritual Essential Multivitamins all over social media, the ones with the see-through capsules and minty scent. They look premium, but they're actually worth it. I took them daily for over a month to find out. These vitamins are made with traceable, science-backed nutrients like vitamin D3, B12, omega-3s, and iron, all in bioavailable forms. The delayed release capsule design means it dissolves later in your digestive tract, improving absorption and reducing nausea. The idea is that it fills nutrient gaps from diet alone, especially for people who skip meals or eat on the go. After about 3 weeks, I noticed more stable energy throughout the day and less mid afternoon fatigue. My nails felt stronger, and I didn't get that heavy feeling I sometimes get when I take other multivitamins. It also didn't upset my stomach even when taken without breakfast. Now, the downsides: it is expensive for what you get, and honestly, you won't feel a dramatic change unless your diet is lacking. The effects are suitable and take time, but if you value transparency, clean sourcing, and gentle digestion, Ritual's multivitamins earns its reputation. It's not hype, just quietly effective for those who stay consistent. And that's it. That is my review of the Essential Multivitamin Review.